Social listening. How to protect your brand reputation and grow your business. Have you ever wondered what people are saying about your brand online? Whether it's good or bad, these conversations can have a big impact on your reputation. That's where social listening comes in. By monitoring social media platforms, review sites, and other online channels, you can stay on top of what people are saying about your brand. Social listening tools allow you to track mentions of your brand, analyze sentiment, and identify trends. You can use this information to improve your products, respond to customer complaints, and engage with your audience in a more meaningful way. By being proactive and responsive, you can turn negative feedback into an opportunity to show that you care about your customers and are committed to improving their experience. On the other hand, positive feedback can be a powerful tool for building brand loyalty and attracting new customers. By sharing positive reviews and testimonials on your website and social media channels, you can show the world why your brand is worth checking out. So, if you're not already using social listening to monitor your brand reputation, now is the time to start. By understanding what people are saying about your brand and responding thoughtfully, you can build stronger relationships with your customers and grow your business. Use social listening to monitor your brand's reputation. Take advantage of tools to track mentions, analyze sentiment, and identify trends. Be responsive to negative feedback and share positive reviews to build brand loyalty. Thanks for watching, and take the first step to improving your online reputation.